Each cell of your body has melatonin. This might be new to you, but it sits right next to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of your cells. What is it doing there, you might ask yourself? Well, it protects your cells from harm, and it increases the ATP output of your cells. Is this a good thing, you might ask yourself? Yes, it is very good, as you will see in a minute. But first you should ask yourself, how come each cell of your body has melatonin, when melatonin is only being used for sleeping? If melatonin were only for sleeping, why does each cell then have melatonin? Yes, that is the elephant in the room. It would not make sense. Melatonin is far more than a sleeping hormone. The amount of melatonin produced by our cells is 100-fold higher than the amount of melatonin produced by your pineal gland for sleeping. But melatonin production gets less as we age, and by the age of 60 years old, there is basically not much left. There have been countless books written on the benefits of taking higher doses of melatonin, and there are literally thousands of scientific papers on melatonin published at PubMed. Real health experts like Dr. Klinghardt, Professor Reiter, and Dr. Ettinger swear by the anti-aging effects of melatonin. They say we have to replenish melatonin as we get older, and high doses of melatonin aim to do exactly that. Dr. Ettinger says that a high ATP output of about 70, which you get on about 300 milligrams melatonin, leaves only little chance for cancer cells to survive. Cancer cells have an ATP output of about 40, he continues, and either a cancerous cell will be pushed to 70, like all the other cells, or it will be discharged and leaves your body. Did you ever wonder why athletes go to high altitudes to train for a top performance? Yes, you guessed it. The lack of oxygen forces their bodies to become more efficient, and the body does that discharging of old cells to make room for new and fresh ones. The cellular level and the mitochondrial function determines your ultimate fitness. A similar example, but from the opposite viewpoint, is what astronauts have to endure. They enter a space shuttle as fit individuals, but when radiation takes its toll on them, they can hardly walk out of a space shuttle. Many astronauts have to be carried out, and they all undergo treatment after such a trip. What happens in your mitochondria is key. Not so much what is in your blood. The cellular level determines the outcome. As Professor Reiter says, he wishes that more people are using melatonin in higher dosages, and that more people understand that it can work magic, especially to avoid all age-related diseases, including cancer.